Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at 10 shocking and unusual foot problems. First, let's take a look at this ingrown toenail.
It's red and swollen and irritated on this side. So this is the corner that we're going to remove. The whole corner comes out in one nice piece.
Comment below, which condition would you like to see a video about? Myiasis is probably the most shocking, because the idea of your foot being a host to another creature is a little unsettling. Again, which problem... Thanks for watching, and again, which foot problem would you like to see a video about next? Comment below. Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.